It's at 12 pounds.
No, I don't think it's 12 inches.
Bigger? I don't think that's bigger than that.
Oh, well, maybe you're right.
Yeah. Looks like it.
Holy shit.
So how deep was it? Okay, about 10 inches.
Wow. See? That's a lovely one.
Oh, I think it's 4 or 5.
Absolutely lovely.
Yeah.
You're in the good place.
Yeah.
Equinox 800.
Very good. Okay. Number 3. And this is number 4. But there's no sediment, there's no shell, there's no sand, there's no branches, there's no pottery, there's nothing as they were, and they look as they were found in the river and piled up here. Maybe against a building. I think they were either bulldozed here or piled up here, as there's nothing. The ground is clean. Okay. Number 4. Okay, this lake came out almost a tablespoon of water, like bubbling soap, out of this hole right here. Yep, 12 pounds. Okay, in electrolysis. Okay, let's continue the electrolysis. This one. Oh, this one's bad. Okay. And after that, this one too. Let's do this one first. Now this is from last year video, that coming section, but I'll do the same step. I'll bring the cannonball, I dry it with a cloth. I don't let air dry because rust can start again, so quickly it has to be protected from rust with the wax. And if there's any water bubble, water drops in that cannonball, they will evaporate and steam out. And you have to watch your wax because it can overflow. So if it happens, remove the bucket from the fire right away, so to cool it down a little bit until that vapor is gone. So that's touchy, you know. Also, I don't have it there. I usually wear wet gloves because it cools down very fast if it's splash. And then after 20 minutes or longer, if it's boiling, if it's bubbling, that means the cannonball contains some water drops. It has to evaporate, and when this is all done, I cool it down, I brush it, and then it's ready to be presented. And it shall last a long time this way. And if any doubt, over the years, I take it back and I clean again and I reboil again. Okay.